Hind everyone, my name is Vinay. I am from Shajapur district of Madhya Pradesh. I did 10 plus 2 from MP board with 81% marks. I did NCC A certificate with grading A from 4 MP battalion NCC Bhopal. I did BSc from MG College, that's under Barkatullah University. My hobbies are reading newspaper, listening songs and also watching movies. I want to join Indian Air Force for a disciplined life, for a page of dignity and to bring new changes in my life. I am highly inspired by our brave martyrs of armed forces and our soldiers. The topic of discussion is nuclear power or nuclear energy is a boon or bane. The nuclear energy is a highly producible energy and that may be both boon or bane. If we see that it can produce lot of energy within a very short time, it is the positive point of nuclear energy. And also there will be low cost to produce low energy, that will also eco-friendly, that will not be caused of global warming, that will not reduce carbon dioxide or any carbon emission gases. And if we see that it may be some ban or disadvantage of nuclear energy. The terrorist can be used to defeat or destroy the world to nuclear energy, because it is available at very low cost, and but the nuclear power plants at very high cost. And the nuclear energy, after the generating nuclear energy from uranium and different nuclear power things, the energy will generate on a high level, but the emission of things and vast material, then what we cannot save the vast material with a long time. And the radiation that are emissioning by the nuclear energy are very harmful for health, because health is very better than we generate nuclear energy. So in the public places we cannot stabilize any nuclear power plant, and there will be a very high cost to stabilize the nuclear power plants, and also may be harmful for the health, foods and the animals of that particular sector. As in the year of 2011, in the exploded nuclear power plants in Japan, and when the researchers found that in the lots of people the radiation of nuclear energy were available, and that may be very harmful for their health. And but we need to do lots of things and different things, except and not focusing on nuclear energy, but we need to generate with the solar energy, hydroelectric power energy, and by other things such as the fossil fuels burning. We need to avoid also them, because they are also causing of carbon dioxide, emission of carbon dioxide, global warming and also acid rains. So we need to focus more on these energies, because it may be painful, because it may destroy the health of persons who are working in that nuclear power plant. So government took initiatives and people must aware about this. Thank you. Jai Hind.